Welcome back to Fungus Journey. In this video, we will be debunking some common misconceptions about toenail fungus and give you some tips on how to manage this fungal infection. Also, I wanted to let you know we will be starting a new series where we provide new remedies and cures for toenail fungus each week. So if you struggle with toenail fungus, then you will not want to miss it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. So, who gets toenail fungus? Well, myth number 1 is that toenail fungus only affects older people. It makes sense, right? We have all been to the public gyms and spas and seen older people with discolored nails caused from toenail fungus. But this is false. In fact, toenail fungus does affect a majority of older people, primarily older men, but the truth is, anyone can get nail fungus. Toenail fungus loves moist environments, so it's important when you're in public spaces like the showers at a gym or a spa to wear flip-flops because this creates a barrier for bacteria. And always wash your feet regularly and thoroughly dry them after bathing and showering. Myth number 2. Toenail fungus is just a cosmetic issue. It's ugly but harmless. Well, this is false. In fact, if left untreated, toenail fungus can cause foot pain, discomfort, and even spread the fungus to other parts of the body. The spread of the fungus can cause jock itch and athlete's foot. Even worse, if you take medication, have diabetes, or a weakened immune system, toenail fungus can cause a widespread infection and result in cellulitis. In severe cases of cellulitis, it can enter the bloodstream and become deadly. Myth number 3. You can't get toenail fungus if you wear nail polish. Well, ladies, I'm sorry, but this is false. Nail polish actually can trap moisture and create the perfect environment for toenail fungus to grow. Tip: if you notice your feet sweat a lot, consider using a foot powder to keep them dry. Also, consider changing your socks and shoes often. Myth number 4. Toenail fungus is caused from a lack of sunlight. While sunlight can help remedy toenail fungus due to its germicidal effects, lack of sunlight is not an actual cause of toenail fungus. The real cause is a warm, moist environment that breeds the bacteria and fungi inside our shoes or showers that causes the nail fungus. Myth number 5. Toenail fungus is not contagious. Well, if this was true, then I would have never got toenail fungus in the first place. Toenail fungus is highly contagious and is easily spread in places like locker rooms, spas, and even nail salons. Tip: if you share a shower with family or roommates, disinfect the shower often and consider wearing flip-flops when showering to prevent spreading the nail fungus to others. Myth number 6. Fingernail fungus is just as common as toenail fungus. Fortunately, this is false. Your feet are stuck in hot, damp shoes for the majority of the day, and toenail fungus loves those environments to grow bacteria. Fingernails, on the other hand, stay much drier, which makes fingernail fungus much less common. However, if you are a swimmer or a dishwasher where your hands are constantly wet, then you may get fingernail fungus much easier. Myth number 7. The last one is toenail fungus will go away on its own. Your immune system will get rid of the fungal infection. Well, this is false and rarely ever true. In fact, if left untreated, it can most likely spread to other nails and other parts of the body, so it's important to start a treatment as soon as possible. So, those are the 7 most common myths about toenail fungus. I hope this video clears up some things about toenail fungus for you. Comment down below which remedies you would like me to cover in the next video. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you next time.